Huwag sana magkalit, kailan na masakit. Hi, third, gising ka pa pala. Grabe, di ko pa rin tapos tong game na to. Pero goods lang. Gising na gising o kakagising lang. Hi Candy, gising ka pa rin pala. Hi Ishida, gising ka pa rin pala. Hanggang ano to? Di ko alam eh. Pautso. Si Dante. Ganda ng event sa Hawk China, Candy ah. Hello Kitty. Sana all. Hi Risoke. Gamit natin si Clade. Ay, naka-transform siya eh. Grabe graphics, no? Good morning. Puro gising pa kayo ah. Para lang nanonood ng movie. Outsu. Teka, final na yata to ah. Parang final boss eh. Yung datingan. Baka akala nyo movie yan, laro po yan. Ayan o. Final Fantasy 16. Hala, lumaki siya. Paano ko tatalunin yan? Ganyan kalaki. Grabe. Ganda pa ng background music ah. Alam niyo, kaya ang sarap mag-game. Para kang nasa movie scene na ikaw yung bida. Final Fantasy 16 po. Isipin nyo guys, sa PS5 game to. Tapos kaya ng handheld. Uy! Mas maganda si ano no. Told. Si supporter ng Blacklist. Steam Deck. Kagi, nakakatuwa. Parang butiki lang siya eh. Ba't ang late nang sa'yo? Malaki na nga yan eh, pero kung ikukumpara lang sa kalaban, ang liit niya. Small but terrible. Naka-transform kasi si Clave eh. Ay, si Clave. Ba't lagi tuloy Clave yung natatawag ko? Si Clive yan, naka-transform lang. Siyempre. Hindi naman ako mag-i-Steam Deck kung pangit eh. Grabe guys, isa sa pinakamagandang part ng FF16. Nasisilayan nyo sa live ko ngayon. Anong phone kinuha mo ko? Secret. Pag andito na, tsaka nyo na lang malalaman. Hindi ako mag-iPhone. Hindi ako Apple lover. Na-analyze ng matindi bago bumili ng console mga idol. Baka mahing yung box. Ayun guys, hindi sa pagiging bias pero ang daming pumunta sa live ko, nag-invest ng phone. Nag-invest ng phone worth 30k. Ang gusto pala mga AAA games. So, magsisisi talaga sila. Ano ba okay, Steam Deck or PS5? Kung sa bahay mo lang siya lalaruin, mas maganda PS5. Pero kung katulad ko ikaw na dinadala-dala kung saan lugar, pag nagta-travel, dala ang Steam Deck, yon mas maganda Steam Deck. Game ni Final Fantasy White Man. Red Magic. Ayun lang, ang weird lang talaga. Ang daming nangangarap ng phone na yan. Hindi ko alam ba't ganun ang mga bata ngayon. Worth 10k na phone yata, malalaro mo na halos lahat ng Android games di ba? Steam Deck. Di PS5 ka, mas maganda PS5. Yun nga lang, mas malakas sa kuryente. Bigyan kitang disadvantage ang PS5. Example, may nanonood sa bahay nyo, hindi mo magagamit PS5 nyo. Magamit ng Hanzo ROM. Okay naman yung Hanzo White Man. Apat daw TV nila. Baka katulad yan yung bumili ng OLED tas walang pambili ng game. Nagulat ako nung uli pinag-jungle ako ni Paul. Halos wala nang hirong magamit nun. Nakaban si Joy. Nakaban si Karina. Pero marunong ako ng Zilong. Isipin nyo, handheld lang yan, pero umaabot ng ganyang ganyang FPS. Diba pumipili ka between PS5 tsaka Steam Deck? Ito, PS5 game to. Pero nalalaro ka sa Steam Deck. Need ba wifi ng Steam Deck? Kahit hindi. Depende sa game kung online or offline. Mag Series X. Si Der nga, Risky, di ba naka Game Pass yun? Bawal laruin yung Horizon Zero Dawn, Ghost of Tsushima, Last of Us. Pero kung naka-PC ka, pwede mong laruin. Ang masama, Xbox pa yung console. Yun pa yung mas limited yung library. PS4 bestie. True. Actually, pwede ring PS5, PS5 tsaka Steam Deck, best combo. Paano ko ba masasabi? Yung mga mabibigat na game, i-PS5 mo. Pero yung mga minimal lang na kaya i-high setting sa Steam Deck, ayun, dun mo ilalagay. O kaya yung mga open world na game, yung alam mong matagal mong lalaro. Example, Elden Ring, The Witcher, ayun. Yung mga 200 hours yung pwede mong laruin ng nakahiga. Tulad nito. PSP. Tapos God of War sa school. Dati nga 2012, ang solid, kunwari may PSP ka, usong laro ng Tekken 6. Kunwari, dalawa kayo may PSP, pwede kayo mag, mag, mag-challenge. Kasi yung 2-player dun, wireless. Pero wala, PSP yun eh. Laro ng mayayaman dati yun, nung panahon na yun. Pero CP mo, naka-iPhone. Great Ninja 5. Asa na yung magko-content ng isang buwan? Mema lang, no? Kami nagkaroon sa kuya ko pero inihiram ko lang. Second hand. Ikaw naman kaya mag-drums. Ay, hindi mo naabutan yung live ko kanina. Drums yun eh. Pero laro na drum. Teka, tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Asan ako? Oo. Drums ni. Ayun, may dagdag pala ako dun sa tanong ni Whiteman. Para saan daw ginagamit yung touchpad ng PS4 controller? Yung kinontent ko na si Ellie, yung naggigitara siya. Ang gamit dun sa pagkumpas ng gitar, yung touchpad ng PlayStation controller. So parang mas feel mo na naggigitara ka. Masisira ni Clay. Grabe, parang God of War, oh. Wasak. Walang malaking nakakapuwing. Tignan nyo naman guys, PS5 game yan ha. Pero tignan mo FPS. 230 and above. Hahamonin ko yung mga naka-phone dyan. Pag in-emulate nila to, good luck kung makaabot sila kahit 15 FPS. Baka nga hindi pa gumana yung game eh. Ano sumabog? Posible. Nakakaawa yung kay ano? Yung nanonood talaga kay Ray. Sipin mo, nag-iipon daw siyang 80k. What the hell? Nasa katinuan ba yun? Pero alam niyo yung isa sa hack pag kaya naging smooth to. Yung tinatawag nga na DLSS. Frame generation. So uulitin ko ano ba yung DLSS. Sa madaling salita, dinodoble niya yung frame rate. Para may kakaibang technology yung ginagamit or software. So yung Nintendo Switch, kaya naging possible yung mga AAA games, yung Nintendo Switch 2. Siguro ganun din yung ginawa nila. Inaano na nga daw yung Switch 2 eh. Ang dami na daw agad scalper. Sold out na daw agad yung mga pre-order. Pero grabe, ang yayaman ng mga tao, may bumibili nun. Kasi ang ginagawa ng iba, pinapakyaw nila, tapos bebenta nila ng may tubo. Kahit tubuan nila ng mga 50%, binibili. Grabe mga tao, no? Tapos tandaan niyo yung pandemic. 'Di ba, sold out yung mga PS5. 50k, 70k, may mga bumibili pa rin. 100k pa nga yung iba eh. Lala, hi Syro, hello. Oo, sa sobrang boredom nung pandemic yata. Tsaka sobrang limited stock ng PS5 dati. Tsaka alam nyo, isa sa pinaka naging mabentang game ng Switch. Tamang-tama yung paglabas nila ng game na yun. Animal Crossing. Parang yun yung pinakang socialize nila nung panahon na yun. Grabe tong scene na to. Angas, parang nanonood ng movie. Final na ata to eh. Tapos pinakyaw din yun, Animal Crossing. Binebenta yung cartridge 5K. Awit na yan. Grabe ng pandemic. Tapos mahal pyesa ng mga PC dati. Ng pandemic. Twinbee pa din. Kasi 'di ba nagpakyawan, puro online class mga tao. Ang mahal ng PC parts dati. Oo nga. Panalo ako. Grabe, ang ganda nung ganda nung experience na yun. Ako nang walang tulog. Pero guys, dun sa Axie, matetest mo ang attitude ng isang tao eh. Alam niyo bang karamihan sa kaibigan ko na nag-Axie, parang yumabang sila. Parang yumabang sila kasi may Axie daw sila. Tapos nagmo-motivate na sila ng tao. Alam mo, dapat practical ka sa buhay. Yung mga ganun. Tapos ayun, sa kangkungan rin naman sila pinulot kasi hindi habang buhay sikat yung Axie. Tama, hindi permanente lang. Parang dati ako, vlogger ako dati, ngayon hindi na ako vlogger. Yung vlog kasi dati parang passion ko na rin, tsaka isa sa source of income. Tapos nag-quit ako. Kasi hindi na ganun ka-hype yung vlog dati. Hindi yumabang. Pero buti, hindi ako nagka-interest sa Axie nung time na yun. May Hawk. Hi Hawk Sophie, hello. Idol yan si Sir Sophie. Hello. Wala, talo. Sumala ako sa 5v5. Lalakas masyado nung nasa mo live. Sir Sophie. Hoy, thank you sa pag-gift. Mga olaps. True, tsaka ang bibilis nila sa lobby. Pero solid ang experience. Sanay na sa live ko, true. Ilang seconds pa lang pag-reveal ng Ilang seconds pa lang yung room ID, puno agad.
You were created for this purpose, and you shall serve it.
Lalabi din ako next time. Hala, ano yan? Baka ma-misinterpret ni Toktik eh. Happy streaming. Sige, sige. Thank you sa pagdalaw. Sir Supi, ingat ka palagi.
We see
Gusto ni Romy.
human will is so insubstantial it cannot exist in isolation. You mitigate its weakness by interweaving it with your consciousness. We believed we had merely to purge you of your will to claim our vessel.
Di ba mas deserve nito Gati? Oh,
First have
ang ganda nga ng experience dito.
that supports
FF16.
no matter the time to build.
Teka, anong year nga ba to naging candidate?
We will contemplate.
Yun nga lang, ito, first time ko pang nilalaro. Kasi PS5 lang to dati. Iba talaga si Clave.
Thank you, Joshua. One can no more command the power of ether by drowning in it than one can constrain the
Ayaw daw ni Hab yung mga ganito eh, mga Final Fantasy. Hindi, mga ano daw kasi issue daw, mga gwapo yung karakter.
but it seems his head was full of
Mga perfect daw yung mga looks.
Titan was strong.
Ayaw niya nakakita ng mga gwapo.
But Mythos is stronger.
Buti pa si Romeo, gusto nakakita ng mga gwapo.
Clinging fast to a fiction.
Level niya daw.
Him into the abyss. One cannot change one's nature through force of will alone. Only the Almighty can do that.
Pero 15, naging favorite ko din yun. Ganda din na. Si Noctis.
The man who gave his life for
Kung uulitin kong laruin yun, hindi ako magsasawa.
a fool like all the rest.
Kamukha niya yung laro.
That the death of a mother crystal should be so beautiful.
Grabe yung mga atmosphere. Pang ano talaga, pang high level. Oh.
Some medicine, my lord?
Ganda gantong
Have
live.
salves, potions, anything you need.
Stop bothering me, urchin, or you'll feel the back of my hand. You must consider your health, my prince.
Para lang nagmo-movie marathon.
You may trust in your dragoons.
Midnight
Beg you
game.
to call on Bahamut only as a last
Di
resort.
natin alam, risky.
Strength comes at too great a
Kasi
cost.
darating yung araw, matatapos ko rin tong game na to.
The Empire agreed
So
to
pag
an armistice
natapos
with
ko na,
Republic,
anong
and yet the
next
Emperor
game?
still plots its ruin. For now, the Delmex suspect nothing, and as long as I can hold their gaze, war need not be
Ayoko, kasawa yun. Dalawang beses ko nga nilaro yun eh.
Bahamut is the champion of the Empire. When our people look
Tsaka nakakatuwa, hiram ko lang yung bala ko nun. Ay, ano yan? Kaki, ba't may card yan?
Forgive me, Terence.
Kaki, ba't may ganyan?
That you are my master. But alas,
Ba't may ganyan?
I will always be your loyal servant.
Kala ko si Clive lang andito, pati pala si Romy.
Should the Council's brazen maneuvering prompt the Republic to tear up their own treaty and launch a new assault, our soldiers would advance to meet them, cutting across the Central Isles, but not in time to prevent their forces from breaching the southern defences and storming Twinside. And so the capital would become a battlefield. Thousands of innocents would die. I cannot allow that to happen.
In-hit na wala pala.
There is one small mercy, at least. You will not be forced to do battle with Titan.
Would that I could avoid doing battle at all.
Ayan guys, isipin nyo, PS5 game to. Pero tignan nyo gaano siya ka-smooth. Ngayon nyo magigets bakit ko binenta yung PS5. Nag-switch to Steam Deck.
Olivier has been made emperor.
Kaya din ang Switch One.
What is the meaning
Pag
of
cloud
this?
version, kaya.
My father's orders. What were they? Quickly!
Yes, Your Highness. His Radiance requests that Your Highness maintain position here and...
Ayun nga lang, no? Si Nintendo kasi, overpriced talaga.
Yes, my prince.
We must go to the palace.
Kahit fan ako ng Nintendo, aminado ako na overpriced si Nintendo. Kahit nga taga-US, nagre-reklamong
What is it now?
$70 yung game.
Forgive the intrusion, Your Highness.
I know you.
Di ba angas ang mga looks ng tao dito, no?
We stand in the presence of the
Yung lalaking yan, si Joshua, yung naka-red. Kapatid ni Clive.
fingers burned.
Pero hindi alam ni Clive na buhay pa siya.
Not at all. Though I admit, I did not expect such a distinguished guest.
How many years has it been since the remembrance ceremony? 20?
I thought you long dead. Do I address a ghost?
Many have told me that I look like one,
Akala kasi ni Clive, patay na to matagal na.
but no,
Nung bata pa sila.
I'm alive.
Ayan, si Clive, hindi pa alam na buhay yan. Si Joshua, kapatid niya.
Prince Dion of the House Lesage. I have a tale to tell you.
Laban na, laban na. Si Yahi ko ang malupit maglaro. Skip lahat ng cutscene. Wala siyang naintindihan sa kwento. Skip lahat. Out. So, hi Kenneth. Hello. Ayun, lobat. FF7. Kakatapos ko lang nun. FF17. 17? Hindi pala. FF7 yung tinapos ko. FF16 pa lang. Ayun nga eh. FF7 pagkakakita ko nung una.
I'd better give Otto the good news.
Teka, naka Xiaomi Pad 6 si HB o risky? Eh, yung Steam Deck niya nasa na? FF16, Kenneth. Wala na. Parang maling desisyon na naman ginawa niya. For me sariling opinion to. Nag-tablet, ipinagpalit yung Steam Deck. Kasi dati nag-tablet din ako. Naka-tablet ako dati. Hindi ko masyadong nagagamit. Kasi isipin mo, may cellphone ka, nalalagay mo na sa bulsa mo. Tapos same features lang nung nang nagagawa sa phone. So pag tablet, parang ang hassle, ang laki. Kaya di ko masyadong nagagamit. Siguro advantage lang naman nun is mas bigger yung screen, ganun. Pero kung pang everyday use, parang hindi. Walang machichanig daw mo ba? Hindi ko pa alam anong tablet nun, parang Lenovo Y. Parang nabanggit niya sa content is Snapdragon 860. Ano yung mga tablet na may ganong processor? Pad 5. Baka yun. Malayo na. Ito yung hours of gameplay ko. Teka. Mamaya hindi pa pala makikita. 20 hours na bale. Yung gameplay ko.
And with glad tidings for once. Well, babe.
We had a stolus from Lubor St. Driggs. I expect that was your...
It's a long story.
Yung 5-5 pwede kong makuha ng... Talaga?
I'll bet.
Sana all.
Welcome home, Clive.
Pero kung ako, makakuha ko ng ganyan. Siguro, G ako sa 5K.
I feel it. Which means I'm coming on your next little adventure.
Dream of it.
Pati yung filter na pupunta dun sa character.
Any word on the royalist movement?
Kangawit. Kangawit yung ganitong lag. Alam niyo ba mabigat ang Steam Deck?
I will.
May advice ako sa'yo, Sed. Ano yan? Hi, Anthony. Hello. Kay risky ako seminar pagdating pagbarat ng baril. Grabe.
May have picked up one or two.
Galing ako sa buy and sell pero parang hindi ko kaya mag-ano ng ganyan. Mangbarat. Pero sa buy and sell kasi kunwari, ang mura ng benta, talagang paunahan.
Whatever plans Coop, as did his men. Orcs, Vivian. The Waludas must have ferried them over from Ash, but why?
Tapos kunwari, sobrang mura ng benta na, hindi ko natatawaran. Yung iba kasi,
Allied nation.
ang mura natatawaran pa.
It makes no sense.
Do you know the tale of the blind men and the Adamantus? One can often be led astray by folk. One must instead see the bigger picture.
Walang
The kingdom of
patawad-tawid.
Waloed claims dominion over all of Ash. It is a nation forged by the bloody conquest of Barnabas Thorn,
Nakatodo
the
na ba?
dominant of
Yan
Odin.
o.
The
Para mas
Canvarian
rinig.
War of Independence in 849. The Battle of the Twin Realms in 865.
Didelete ko na, Kenneth. Natapos ko na eh.
873. Wheresoever his armies fought, Odin was found where the fighting was fiercest. But of late, the warrior king appears to have laid his sword to rest.
Re-zero, may plot.
Battle rages for control of the crystalline dominion. Yet Tharm sends not a single ship in support of his Dhalmekian allies. Meanwhile, the Blight ravages great swathes of Ash. Yet warlike Waloed shows not the faintest interest in laying claim to untouched lands. So why go to the trouble of sending an army of orcs into the heart of Drake's Fang, only to make no attempt to claim the Mother Crystal for Waloed? It can hardly be for lack of men. Tharm's armies
Resira sa
rival any
Barbida.
of the twins. No, we have not seen the last of the Waloed standard. Odin will ride again. It is but a question of when. And on that day, who will be trampled underfoot?
Actually, hindi ko typical na ginagawa to.
I know not to attend the royalist
Yung mag-live
retreat.
ng ano,
I know
sin,
only that
ng,
it is part of some broader scheme.
nang di ko pa nalalaro.
A scheme tied to the ambitions of one man.
Pero sobrang haba kasi, kaya
But
kaya
there is no
nilive ko
need
na
to
lang.
wallow in confusion. If one is to cure a sickness, one must first identify the symptoms. And your Lord Uncle has
Kadalasan, pag
volunteered to do
first
just
time ko
that.
lalaroin yung game
I,
solo
the
talaga,
royalists,
hindi ko
of
siya
course.
nilalive.
He's really throwing himself into this.
Indeed he is. Which means all that remains for us to do is await his reports. Well, not. The people of the hideaway, the wounds he left. Consider it the price of...
I've never known you to be. I suppose we are.
Parang dating RDR to, malaki pala West Elizabeth. True. Sa tingin mo, pinlano ng Rockstar yun?
Well,
Yung ano,
plays with himself.
Nothing escapes you, Lady Karen. It's true.
Good. Start to get a crick in my neck.
oo, pinlano yun.
Blackthorn, do you have a moment? What is it? I wanted to tell you that.
Speaking of RDR to,
I can't tell you.
mas marami ang alam si Kenneth kaysa kay Hub.
During use, I'll try to live up to the name.
Ganun din sa Resident Evil. Sana yung Dino Crisis, no? I-remake. Ba't kaya hindi nila i-remake yun? Kasi ang dami naman nagre-request. Hospital RE2.
Clive, have you come seeking the gift of knowledge?
No. To share mine, actually.
Look, he's
Wow,
crying.
ayos. Hindi naman nakakaintindi siya.
Baby.
Pero ayan si Kenneth. Bawat small detail ng RDR2 na ano niya,
Joy,
nagigets.
offer up a prayer to
Minsan may malalalim na punchline sa RDR2 na hindi ko
There shall be
nagigets.
no lessons today.
Ine-explain sa akin yan ni Kenneth.
Go, put away your things.
All right. Brilliant.
Clive. Oo, si Final Fantasy.
Finally, a new dawn has broken.
It does.
Thank you, Clive. I cannot wait to share.
Andito talaga si Clive. Tekken 8. Di ko lang nabago title. Pero Tekken 8 andun din si Clive.
Ultima came to me. I need to know what he is.
Have
you learned anything?
Nakakatawa.
Yes,
Mas una mo siya nakilala sa Tekken siguro.
and not for want of trying.
Karakter siya ng Final Fantasy 16 na kinolab lang siya ng Tekken.
Found nothing. Not even the sort of conspicuous absence that might suggest concealment of fact. One is almost tempted to conclude
But I saw him.
alas, it seems you are the
Pero grabe, ibig sabihin partnership ng Square Enix ang ano,
others. He reveals
ang Bandai Namco kasi
we see
andun si Noctis, andun si Clive.
like some terrible
Si Clive
force of
nagturo
nature
ng
beyond the
kaklase.
ken of mortal.
A bringer of death.
Whether the ultimate, but until I do,
Thank you. Right. Let's see if Otto has anything else for me.
Yung pala ibig sabihin ni ano. Dati naman si isa namin, nag-King of Fighters ako. Sabi, ay si Karina yan ah. Kaya ang gamit ko si Leona, yung skin ni ano, ni Karina. Teka, si Karina yan ah. Mas nagmukha pang copycat yung King of Fighters eh.
I'm telling you, it's true. I heard it from Otto's own lips. Hugo Kruger is dead.
Ginaya naman talaga ni.
You barely sat down since you came home. Just spreading the word.
Tapos ano, naglaban si Ayori tsaka si ano, si Kay.
Professor's
Ano daw, Gusion versus Chu.
I'd never have guessed.
Sabi dun sa comment section ng video.
She was right though. But you ain't told everyone. I can think of plenty of friends back at the old hideaway who'd sleep more peacefully, not least of all Sid. Well, when you do, be sure that she's been going at it.
Actually, yun yung isa sa pinaka-problem sa mga Filipino. Kung ano yung una nilang nakita, yun na yung sa tingin nilang tama.
I'll suggest it.
Diba, Kenneth? Tapos, pag about naman sa issue, wala silang sapat na reference. Kung ano lang yung una nilang nakita, dun sila magbe-base. Kunwari, may nakita silang video. Nagre-reklamo yung seller kasi mali yung dumating na item. Mali na agad yung seller pero yung pala may malalim na meaning. Yung pala pinalitan yung pinadeliver. Yung mga ganong senaryo.
Books I don't have any pictures in. Why are we
True.
I went up to give some greens to the Chocobo, and do you know what it did?
Saan yung daan?
Bloody bit me. Really nasty. You should ask Tired to have a look at that.
Tingnan natin sa mapa. Pa ganun. 5-3 daw sabi ni Plato. Ayan pa, tapos sinasabi niya yun pag nakatalikod ako. Hindi naman niya masabi ng harapan sa akin yan. Nung nag-comment siya dun sa ano ni HBO, di ba? Nakaibang account pa nga siya eh. Tapos pag ano, sa comment section, kala mo napakabait. Sobrang bait. Yung sabi niya ano, for me hindi magandang ginagawang biro yung about sa minor. Kala mo napakabait eh. Yung pala pag nakatalikod kung ano nung sinasabi sa akin. Sabihin niya ng harapan. Para siyang duwag nun eh. Huwag tayong mang-away ngayon for today's video. Para lang din siyang airing. Kaya bagay magkakasama yan eh, Ishida. Bagay magkakasama silang tatlo, Ishida. Si HBO, si Gigi, si Erin, mga ano yan? Mga tang. Ano babagsak? Doon pa lang sa ano eh. Pinagko-compare niya yung ibang laro. Hindi pa pala niya nalalaro yung ano. Sample, pinagko-compare niya RDR2 tsaka God of War. Sinasabi niya mas maganda RDR2 kasi RDR2 pa lang nalaro niya. Sino, Kenneth? Bias tuloy.
Catch your death sleeping out here.
I know. I'm too full to move.
Outso. Tama yung ginawa mo, Kenneth. Binlock mo na lang siya.
If I don't come up with something soon. All right, Clive? What do you want?
I'm going to visit Sid.
Sorry, I'm too busy for all that. I've got to get this
Thermal.
displacement stack.
Hindi natin alam na siya yun.
And
Pero dahil sa inyo, nalaman kong siya yun.
Only the
Actually, hindi ko pa talaga
fastest,
alam.
finest ship the world has ever seen. Me and my dad designed it together. Where other vessels rely on the fickle winds to drive them through the water, ours is fitted with mithril engines. And those things have got more push than a behemoth in a bad mood.
Okay lang
And
yan,
more heat than all
Kenneth.
the hells put together. Which is where the... I may have already talked some tight-lipped shipwrights into putting... But the stack's a bit more involved, so... Thing is, I'll come and see my dad, though.
is there
there anything I can do to help?
Good old Clyde. First things first. The sack will be made up of three major components. There's the helm over the top, and the shielding around.
A full suit of armor, then. Probably best to take it one piece at a time.
Then you'll need to start with the plating. Everything else fits onto it. I've got the designs and the list of materials here. Show these to Blackthorn. He'll know what to do.
I can't make it not to
Pero
work.
grabe no, Pikmin pa yung sinasabihan niya ng ano, plastic daw. Eh siya nga yung biglang nang iwan ng kaibigan. Tas kayo pa yung sinabihan na ano, parang plastic daw. Gusto nung ere na hindi plastic. Eh hindi nga siya makaharap eh. Hindi niya nga kaya ma-real talk ng harapan eh. Kung kaibigan mo yun, sinisiraan mo. Nakakalito yung daan dito. Oh, sasabihin paakyat. Pag akyat mo, wala. Hayaan mo sila, Kenneth.
Blackthorn, can I ask a favor?
Hell with it.
It's the mid.
This my last chance to sound
Feeling niya
like
aping-api siya nung gabi na yun. Out so.
Go on then.
She said you would know. Here.
Kaya nag-live ng lasing. Doon pa lang hindi na siya matino eh. Sino matinong magla-live ng ano,
I don't know
nakainom?
what the hell you'd want this for, but I
Paano mo
can make it.
pagkakatiwalaan yung
Easy
ganun?
though. And I'll need help. Get Gavin Otto in here, will you?
All right.
Pansinin mo, may mga sinasabi siya nung panahon na lasing siya. Pero walang ano, walang nagawa. Wala siyang nagawa sa mga sinabi niya na yun.
And
Kahit isa siguro wala.
we need to do?
Take a look at this. It's this plating. That means, and which is where you lot come in. I need materials. And now, there's a special kind of sand I'm after that you can only find out in the Velcro. As for the rest of the stuff, well,
We'll get it done quicker if we split up.
Meron utang.
One of us should probably give you an hand coat in the sand.
And the other can go and
Ito na lang, isipin mo, makikipag-usap ka ba ng matino sa isang lasing?
get this oval.
Makikipagkasundo ka ba sa taong ganun? Example, may kasunduan kaya lasing siya. Siyempre hindi.
You going after the Stardust then, are you? Which one of these two lucky souls is going with you? Right. It's not like it's the most important decision you've ever had to make.
30%. Teka, anong next quest ko? Hindi ko mabasa. Speak with the gather the necessary material. Napakamot ulo. Nasaktan kayo dun. Tsaka ayun, about 2 years. About dun sa 2 years. Isipin mo, kakalimutan yung 2 years ng pagsasama para sa simpleng alitan lang, sa isang away lang. Tapos hindi pa mabigat yung pinag-awayan. About sa kamot ulo lang. Wala ngang away. Tas ang malala pa, binlock lahat. Ultimo sina Sir M, sina Sir Glenn. True. Hindi, baka yun nga, para malaya siya makapamirata. Blondie boy.
Otto, you're with me. Where do we...
There's a river that runs through the...
And I'm guessing you'll be needing sackloads of the stuff. Might be... I'll head down there. See about finding us a wagon. All right.
You two take care, eh? I'll go and see this supplier.
Just don't let that bastard.
He wouldn't do that.
Gather the other material. Saan niya nalaman yung USB camera? Actually, to be honest, ako talaga yung pinakauna nag-tutorial nun. As in, wala pa nakaka-discover nun. Galing nga tapos shinare ko agad. Pero hindi pa ganon ka-enhance yun. OTG pa dati yung gamit ko. Tapos maluwag yung kable. Ginaya. Oo, sabi niya naman Inamin niya naman. May nakita daw siya sa YT. Tapos late niyang na-realize na ako yun. Ayun nga lang, yung USB camera, maganda naman siya pero may konting delay yun. Pero sa mga game na 30 FPS, pwede siya. Sa mga 60 FPS, noticeable yung pag ano. Pero pwede yata 60 FPS, isasacrifice mo lang na 720p. Ang galaw pa naman ng micro USB. Ayun. Tapos ano, yung mga bandang huling live ko na, yung mga medyo tumagal-tagal na, gumanda na setup ko nun. May binili ako mga external na kable. Tapos kung paano ko siya i-charge habang nakakabit. Hindi nga pala kita yung setup ko nung ano. Nagla-live ako ng ganun. Kasi hindi siya ano, handcam. Basta maganda na yung setup ko nun. Tapos ayun nga, disadvantage yun. Siyempre, nakakabit yung OTG. So, hindi mo siya matcha-charge habang nakakabit yun. Nagawan ko rin ng solusyon yun. Gumamit ako ng adapter para maging dalawa yung port. Kagi, 2:00 na mga idolo. Pero ito yung oras na pwede nyo i-topic sa akin lahat. Sasagutin ko ng mahinahon.
Looks like I found the river. No. Otto.
Tsaka ayun guys, kung magtatanong kayo ng review about game or comparison, hello sa live. Ang magtatanong kayo sa multi-gamer, wag sa one-sided gamer, ha? Paano niya bibigyan ng magandang comparison ng isang game kung sa between sa dalawang laro, isa lang pala na laro niya dun? Multi.
Otto. Sorry I'm late.
Abay ka, kala mo lang yun.
I had a quick scout about.
Kala mo lang yun, tulog na siya. Pero hindi.
Smithing with his stardust stuff's a good idea.
Hindi, nagpapaantok kami.
Waiting for any old fool to fill his boots.
Nagpapaantok kami dito sa live.
But unlike any old fool, you thought to bring a wagon.
Basta matik kasi tuwing weekend.
Now get filling.
Puyaters talaga ako tuwing weekend. Pero tuwing weekend lang naman. Hindi everyday. Tsaka ang haba nitong final. Paano ko ba mapapakita yung play hours ko? Tapos na kaya to ni Lester? Ayan no, kita niya ba? Teka. Ang liit, hindi yata kita. Ayan, 20 hours oh. Pero baka nga kalahati pa lang to eh. Si Ann si Chelsea naman kaya tanungin ko. 'Di ba best friend mo dati si Karil? Hindi ko alam kung best friend mo pa siya ngayon. Hindi ata natapos ni Doc naman. Si Lester kasi talagang completionist yun eh. So, feeling ko, pwedeng mas una ko pa siyang matapos kasi ako naman, mga main quest lang. Pero si Doc Lester talaga matagal talaga siyang talagang kinokompleto niya lahat. Kaya napapatanong ako kung natapos na niya or hindi pa. Pero tingin ko hindi pa. Kasi yung God of War dati, inantay pa daw niya, 'di ba 2018 yun? Inantay pa niya ilabas sa PC. Tapos hindi mo na niya nilaro sa PS4. Grabe, ako hindi ko kaya gawin 'yun, yung aantayin ko yung laro. Parang hindi ko kayang tiisin na hindi agad siya laruin. Lalo na pag maganda yung game. Ito, meron lang ako nito sa PS5. Matagal ko na natapos ito eh. Kaso ngayon lang nagkaroon sa PC. Oo. 'Di ba? Wala lang, tinatanong ko lang. Si Jiro naman tanongin natin. Hala, saan yung daan? O, di ba dito? Letting off steam. Letting off steam. Quest nearby. So, iikutin ko pa to. Hindi ko kasi makita. Hindi ko... Ang layo ko sa screen ng Steam Deck. Teka, iba yung napipindot ko. USB camera chaos. Ba't ganun yung AI? Connect mo kay Arthur. Connect sa TV. Pero pag handheld hindi ako hindi ko talaga, bihira talaga. Halos bihira akong i-connect sa TV. Pag handheld talaga, handheld mode talaga ako. Wait, so... Console nga, ginagawa kong handheld eh. Remote play. Wala na, ligaw na ako. Wait lang, kailangan natin ng matinding pagsusuri. Dito nakadaan na ako. So, hindi na pwede akong dumaan ulit dyan. Tapos sabi, quest destination nearby. So, iikutin ko siya hanggang makita ko. Ayun, nagturo ng direction. Hirap ah. $78. Di ko na alam. Restart tayo. Baka nga, no? Baka bug. Semi-open world? Hindi. Open world talaga siya. Ay, di ko pala sure. Pero parang open world siya. Paano ko ba mapapatunayan? Ayan. Papakita ko yung mapa. O, diba? Parang di na matatawag kasi na semi yung ganyan. Mala Witcher na eh. Hindi naman mala Witcher. Pero parang Witcher lang.
When did you get so big?
Ang semi si Hub. Chemical. Okay, restart natin. Uninstall pag 5 AM. Wala, kay HBO madali lang yun kasi hindi niya naman binili yung mga game niya eh. Re-download lang siya. Library. Pero ba't nagga-grind yun sa Quack game? Dapat sa game na binili niya kasi para doon yung nagsisync yung save file niya. Pag Quack game kasi walang kasiguraduhan eh. Hindi mo mare-restore yung save mo kung i-delete mo man yung game or or masira yung unit. Ganun talaga mga to. Okay guys, nakakangawit pag buhat-buhat na gano'n. Lapag na idol. Sige, after nitong quest na to. Ano to? Nadaanan ko na lahat. Ba't di pa rin sapat? Ayun. Tagong-tago. Tingnan nyo, hindi siya obvious, no?
That should be enough for now. Let's see how Otto's getting on.
Tagong-tago tapos kakulay niya yung grass. Yung logo nung logo ng indicator kaya hindi mo makikita.
How much did you get? Enough. I hope. More than me. Put it all together and I can't see Blackthorn complaining. Much. Here, Clive. You fancy a walk? Sid would be proud. Of what? Of you, you idiot. The way you've carried on what he started. When we first met, I had 5 years on, so thanks. You weren't, Rob, but I changed. And if you hadn't, I couldn't have done any. Yo, give over. You're making me blush. All I did.
Grabe.
Took a rabble of home.
1 and 30 minutes na yung live. Siguro paabutin natin hanggang 3 AM.
All this scrabbling. I'll see you back at the hide. Oh, but I'll make sure Black.
GTA 5 na.
Right. Ready to go home, boy?
Parang hindi ko kaya mag GTA 5 eh. Ginagawa ko na lang talaga siya for the views. Sayang wala si Kenneth. Tanong mo dun kay Kenneth. Parang 2018 pa lang di na ako nag-GTA 5 eh. Pero tagal kong nilaro yun nung una. 2016 ko siya unang nalaro. Ay, 2015 pala. 3 360 era palang tinigil ko na. Nalaro ko siya 2015. Natapos ko siya 2 months yata. Kasi malag ako.
Let's hope this is all Blackthorn needs.
Pero maganda graphics niyan sa 360. Yung 360 na black. Xbox 360 na kulay black.
Blackthorn, got everything you need.
Yeah. Yeah, I do. Cheers for the Stardust.
Nice to get out. Let's do that again, son.
It'll take some time, mind. So if you...
Thank you, Blackthorn.
Okay guys, 30 minutes to go
Suppose
before
we
end
better be
live.
getting back to work too.
Give us a shout if you need anything.
Tagal pa pala. Flop yung season 2 ng The Last of Us 2. Yung game ba o yung episode? Yung episode, di ko pinapanood yun. Ah,
I went up to give some
di ko pinapanood yun, ano? Hanggang season 1 lang yata ako nun, tapos tinigil ko na kasi ano. Parang hindi ko na-enjoy panoorin.
It hasn't been a
Tsaka pag pinapanood ko, nababago yung interpretation ko sa game. Para mas naisip ko yung kwento dun sa palabas kaysa dun sa... Oo, yun nga. Kahit Resident Evil, yung mga series ng Resident Evil live action, hindi ko pinapanood kasi mas astig sa game eh. Hala, nakakalito naman yung daan. Pinababa ako, aakyat pala ulit ako. Teka, alam ko na to, nanggaling na ako dito eh.
Editors started reading books that don't have any pictures in.
Ang pangit dito, wala siyang indicator. Ayun pala, kaila-ilaliman pala.
If I don't come up with something soon.
You'll be pleased to hear.
Excellent.
So,
The helm, of course. For this.
salvage from the ruin.
Ah, but we don't have to.
I'm sorry.
Just so happens there's one particular ruin that's broken into exactly the right shape. What's the name back there, Ugu?
What?
Oh, Sid, is this about the helm? I'll show you the plans.
Di ba parang smooth lang ano?
Here you see the mithril
Experience sa
engine
Steam
in
Deck.
excess heat is dealt with by
Pero
means
sa
of
ngayon,
the
kung papipiliin
thermal
ako,
displacement stack, which disperses it into the surrounding
kung
air.
Legion,
Were we to rely on thermal
kung
plating
Legion
alone
Go or
to
ano,
achieve this effect, the
or
rate of
Steam Deck,
excess
mas
heat
pipiliin ko
buildup
na
would
yung
far
Steam
exceed
Deck
the
ngayon.
displacement coefficient of the
Ay, mas
plating.
pipiliin ko na pala
In
yung
other
ano.
words, the reactor would overheat, and this is where the helm comes in. It connects.
Teka, maingay yata yung
Experiments have
ano,
shown that
cinematic.
fallen ceramics are remarkably, and not only that, they're also waterproof and immune to rust. Why? If sea or rainwater were to enter the reactor proper, it would vaporize instantly.
You can stop that. Mid, where would I find it?
Ah, yes. The thing is, well, it's no longer.
I see. Would that help?
Oh, right. I'll gather my tea.
So ayun ano, pero ngayon kung papipiliin ako between Steam Deck tsaka Legion Go, sa ngayon mas pipiliin ko ng Legion Go. Kasi may Steam OS na siya eh. Dati kasi wala. Pero ngayon kahit saan yata pwede mo na gawin yung Steam OS, kahit PC, kahit ROG Ally man yan. Isa rin sa pinaka-special features ng Steam Deck eh. Nasa Steam Deck lang meron dati. Ngayon kasi, meron na sa mga bagong handheld device. So, mas maganda na siyang gawin sa mas powerful na device. Wala, sobrang haba pa nitong mission na to. Mahaba tong mission na to. Baka di ko di umabot ng alas 3 to.
Think Mid might need some help.